Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show where I have one goal, and that's to help you increase your print-on-demand sales by showing you what customers are actively buying. That's the easiest way to make sales. So let's get into it. First, we're going to look at the top 10 organic best-selling shirts. We tried to filter out the protected brands. I do see this Project Hail Mary shirt. That's a movie, so skip that one. 7 of the top 10 are Artemis themed, NASA themed. Now, I've never uploaded a NASA themed shirt to Amazon merch. It's always looked like they've gotten through, but I'm not advocating that you do that. You need to make a decision if you upload to Amazon merch of what you think is okay and what you don't think is okay. Like I just said, I'm not uploading any Artemis or any NASA themed stuff, but it's always looked like it's been getting through. I mean, if you click these shirts, you often see different brands and whatnot. So again, though, completely up to you. I'm just showing you the organic top 10. This is not one of my hand-selected top 5 niches and never really has been. You've got America 250 years anniversary, and then you've got an Abraham Lincoln shredding the electric guitar in the top 10. All right, let's move on to niche number 1. And niche number 1, I could be meaner, but Jesus said no. All right, I'm not exactly familiar with the backstory here, but check the BSRs: 400,000, 500,000, 1 million, 800K, 900K, 500K, and then behind me, 900K. So they're not dominating on the high end. Like, nobody's getting rich selling these shirts with BSRs like that. But Merch Dominator has a feature where basically you can have it look at newly submitted products that have already sold. And it's a great way of potentially finding tomorrow's biggest trends. And I saw a few of these shirts in this specific niche. I could be meaner, but Jesus said no. And when I see overlapping, repetition in the newest section of Merch Dominator, I want to report it to you guys because you don't know how big these trends are going to be ultimately. Like last year, or maybe it was a little bit before a year ago, we saw the first 6-7 shirt kind of creep up, and next thing you knew, we were talking about it week after week, month after month, and it was with us for over a year. So again, those trends, you find them in Merch Dominator sorting by newest. Even if you didn't know that that was going to be a big trend, it was served up to you on a platter, and then all you had to do was act on that information. So currently, this was the first trend that I found in Merch Dominator newest section, looking at those new listings on Amazon that have already sold, because Amazon gives us that data. I could be meaner, but Jesus said no. All right, moving on. Niche number 2. We got the people, we got the power. I think this is related to unions. I'm not sure exactly what the backstory is, but these shirts are selling like wildfire. Like 400,000, 200,000, 400,000, 900,000, 50,000, 37,000, 100,000 behind me, and then another one behind me, 135,000. Now, this is the type of shirt that you could theoretically get rich on. I mean, okay, if we're being honest, you don't usually get rich on Amazon merch unless you have a BSR under 10,000. So the lowest one that we see here behind us is 37,000. If those sales continue to pick up, though, I mean, you could really make hundreds of dollars a day. Truly, they're priced up at $18.99. I mean, they're doing quite well right there. Now, I guess this is something to do with a labor movement. I'm not really familiar. I'm not sure if it's trademarked, by the way. Always check your trademarks. But it appears to be a safe upload just based on how many new submissions there are that are selling extremely well. Plus, you can see people are spending money on ads. Although when I say people are spending money, it could just be one seller who uploaded multiple shirts to this niche because of how well it's selling. But they're pumping money into ads and pricing them at min price. So they're definitely going for capturing, the high end here. Anyways, niche number 2, we got the people, we got the power. It appears to be a labor union. Kind of interesting though, like Amazon is pretty much the face of being anti-labor unions. And these people are using Amazon to fulfill their t-shirt orders. I mean, kind of a oxymoron there, but it is what it is. I still respect, people that unionize for sure, because corporations are definitely not the friend of average people. Like I'm sure everybody watching this video is. They are not our friends. I'm confident of that. All right, niche number 3. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, linked below, I have a free print-on-demand course that I'll deliver to you via email. I just need your email address. You get 1 lesson a day for 3 weeks. And I have a print-on-demand Facebook group if you want to check that out. That is linked below. Both are free. Niche number 3. We saw one of these in the top 10, and it is Abraham Lincoln shredding on the electric guitar. This could be an interesting way of maybe playing the 250-year anniversary, because I did know some people were getting rejections and removals, or at least that's what was reported in the 250-year anniversary. But the famous, the more famous presidents maybe doing funny things related to modern times, like playing the electric guitar. I'm guessing did not exist back in Abraham Lincoln's presidency. So regardless of why this is popular, like this is definitely selling. And if you ask me, these are the type of shirts that could surprise you on the high end BSR, meaning maybe even drop down into those 4 digits, implying under 10,000 BSR. Current BSRs on these shirts, 142,000, 182,000, 141,000, 500,000, 200,000, 400,000, and 140,000. Also, just look at Amazon basically telling us. Now, Merch Dominator also measures this for us, but the first shirt says new on Amazon in the past month. Next one says 50 plus bought in the past month. Next one says 50 plus bought in past month. Next one says new on Amazon. So a lot of these are new, guys. This came on my radar because it was in the top 10 and in Merch Dominator's newest section. Anytime you see new listings that are already selling, that is a major signal to act on, in my opinion. Moving on, niche number 4, Brain Tumor Awareness Month in May. This I also found on Merch Dominator's newest section. Just saying, makes sense that people would be listing them ahead of May. We're like a little bit over 2 weeks away from May somehow. Just time is flying. So Go Gray in May, 400,000 BSR. Yes, it's all in my head. 500,000 BSR. Faith Over Fear, 500,000 BSR. Support Squad, Brain Cancer Awareness, 1 million BSR. Go Gray in May, Brain Tumor Awareness with the rainbow, 1.3 million. By the way, guys, you could take your really any color, as long as the graphics are relevant, like the rainbows, the ribbons, the butterflies that we often see. Yeah, I got one behind me here, 700,000 BSR. And if you just go into like Photoshop, you can go to mode and then go to grayscale, and it'll just take your design and collapse it into grayscale. So it'll be relevant in May for Brain Tumor Awareness Month, where gray is the predominant color. By the way, if you're struggling to make graphics vector stock, I've been using them recently. They've got just a massive library. Like, it feels almost infinite. You can type in any niche, and I've been able to find everything, no matter how seemingly obscure. For instance, I type in brain tumor awareness, I filter by print on demand ready, and I've got hundreds of potential graphics that I can use on my products. So that is linked below. Moving on, niche number 5. How about Haiti Flag Day? This is one of those, it's not on most people's print on demand niche calendar, but every year, I'm surprised by the BSRs. Again, Amazon tells us how well products are selling relative to each other. Haiti Flag Day does a lot better than people would expect every single May. So May 18th is Haiti Flag Day. It's about a month away. I would definitely, if you've never sold in this niche, upload a few designs. Hopefully, you will be as surprised as I am pretty much every single year when I see how well they begin to sell. Current BSRs, as we're a month away, 600K, 700K, 700K, 1.2 mil, 500K, 1 mil, 300K, and then behind me, 600K. The best seller would be this one right here, at least the one that I saw on Amazon using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension. Best seller was 345,000 right here, but definitely anticipate these to increase in popularity as we get closer to Haiti Flag Day on May 18th. All right, emerging trends, moving on. These are all outperforming their 90-day average BSR. So we got some cruise shirts, we got some Easter Bunny shirts, or Easter Bigfoot shirts, I should say. An EKG with a guitar. We've got some squids and octopus. I don't know. Just Easter shirts, a lot of Easter shirts, even though they're going to be kind of falling out of popularity now that Easter's passed. All right, looking ahead, here we go. These are hand-selected by me at least a month out. Smaller, non-obvious print-on-demand calendar niches, but doesn't mean that they won't sell. May 12th, International Nurses Day. The nurse niche crushes year-round. May 13th, National Receptionist Day. May 13th, also International Hummus Day. May 15th, Bike to Work Day. And May 16th, Armed Forces Day. So there's a couple that you can get out ahead of. Whenever I sell in these types of niches, I like to sell them on, Amazon Seller Central, where I don't pay per listing, so that I don't really have to worry about, on Etsy paying 20 cents when these are really only going to realistically sell, realistically, right? Maybe outside of the nurses, most likely in the month of May. All right, let's look at the archive at what was selling well 11 months ago. This is like saying, hey, let's go back to May 2025 and look at what was selling, and then assume that we'll probably get some crossover into May 2026. That's why I use the archive feature in Merch Dominator, because they track this. You can input any date from the past and see what the best sellers were, by the way. So what do we got? Graduation, evergreen bestsellers, a lot of cat shirts, quite a few cat shirts actually. So I'd say graduation is the biggest trend that we see. All right, removed designs. These were all removed in the last 24 hours, either by the uploader or by Amazon. We have one of the Abraham Lincolns, 2 of them actually removed. Interesting. Some Easter shirts, you would expect to see that as well. And then kind of just different arrangement of evergreens, I would say, and some Easter, more Easter, I guess. All right, guys, thank you for watching till the end. By the way, linked below, I have a full print-on-demand course that walks you through how to start, scale, and automate your print-on-demand business, as I have my own that makes me six-figure profits every single year. That is linked below. Thank you for watching, though. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you soon with another new video.